Parakkat Nature Resort is situated right off the Munnar town. From the resort, you get spectacular view of the tea plantations. The resort is perfect to enjoy a nature retreat and get away from the hustles and bustles of everyday busy life. The rooms are very clean and are of good size. The staff at the resort are courteous and polite. Some of the rooms also have a view of the tea plantation. There's a separate pool for adults and kids, which is quite handy, and you can also get a spectacular view of the tea plantation from the pool. There's a great variety of breakfast options, and you can also enjoy your breakfast with a view. You can also enjoy a sunset and unwind your day. I hope you found this video informative. Thanks for watching.